welcome to our last full day in Iceland, and today is going to be a bit of a race against what's some sort of impending storm coming through. It's due to hit here about 1 o'clock. It's supposed to be quite a big storm, so supposed to get up early again and race down to Reynisfjara Beach and catch it or get everything done, but we've all woke up a little like an hour or so late, but we needed it. I'm absolutely knackered. It's good fun as this is, absolutely shattered. So getting ready now, and then hit the road again and see what we can find. Yeah, so weather's changed quite a bit. Actually quite painful running through that. Yeah, that was pretty epic weather as well. But now on to Skogafoss, second of the 2 waterfalls of the day. This is Skogafoss waterfall. It's an amazing sight, which I'll show you in a sec, but just want to show you the floor underneath me is just complete sheet ice. Yeah, amazing waterfall. A bit of a tricky walk. Nearly. Good. Yeah, that's amazing now. I'm going to try and slowly walk out of here. I'm soaked, the camera's soaked. I'm probably going to fall over any second now. Onto Seljalandsfoss waterfall. Do it all again. That one I can walk behind, hopefully. See how bad it is. Anyway, off I go. And this is Seljalandsfoss. Pretty sure I've got that right. Let's take a closer look. Hanging out behind the waterfall, as you do. This is amazing. This is so cool. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. Just hanging out behind the waterfall. Bit of a treacherous walking up here as well. And it's just ice everywhere. But this is just unreal. I'm so happy to come here now, man. Sick. So. Well, right, I've managed to climb down right to the base of the waterfall. I'll have to just quickly show you, but it's absolutely soaking down there. I've got so much water in my sock right now. I'm soaked, camera soaked. Time to go. Oh, it's right in my socks. Time to get back out of here. And hopefully I don't fall over on the way out. God damn. That is awesome. Back to everybody waiting for me in the car patiently. I'm filming for you guys, so screw you. Run! Back of the lodge now, another successful day done. But, now to try sample a few of the local delicacies. Happy birthday!